NEOG Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Which is from in the video till the end to find out. So I've been looking at Neogen Corporation stock. I pronounced it like a Korean in the beginning. Yeah, 30% down, it's quite a bit. I'm looking at just the 15-minute chart. It was even worse today. It was even worse. Now, having made well over 39,000 videos over the last 4.5 years, having spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With this thing specifically, if I come here, you will see that, yeah, it just gapped down. What's the likelihood that this thing just keeps melting even lower? If you ask me, quite high. Well, how do I know this? Well, maybe because I've done 39,000 videos, just maybe. But in this instance, with this big of a stretched out range, I would most of the time just stay away. But it is, maybe if there's like this can be a sell, if there's a confirmation, you know. But randomly selling or buying, it's not going to be the key. Especially not buying in a bearish range. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.